Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade Forex in eToro. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process of setting up your account, making your first trade, and managing your investments effectively. First, you need to create an account on eToro. Go to the eToro website and click on the Join Now button. Fill in your details, including your email address and a strong password. Verify your account by following the instructions sent to your email. Once verified, you can log into your eToro account. Next, deposit funds into your account. eToro offers several payment methods, including credit and debit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets. Choose the method that works best for you and enter the amount you wish to deposit. Please ensure that you meet the minimum deposit requirement, which may vary based on your region. Now that your account is funded, you can start trading Forex. Click on the Markets tab and select Forex. Browse through the available currency pairs and choose one to trade. Click on the Trade button, set your desired trade amount, and decide whether to go long or short based on your market analysis. Finally, review your trade details and click on Open Trade to execute your order. Monitor your trade and use eToro's tools to manage your investments effectively.